Hey guys, if you were told to come on a Cancun trip with a few hours notice, would you say yes and pack your bags?
What are you doing this week? Like from tomorrow to like Wednesday, are you free?
Where the fuck are we going?
Cancun.
I mean, I still work from home for my phone. I just take my laptop, so yeah, I'll go.
Alright, I'm gonna book the tickets right now. Mark, me, Moises, and Christian are gonna go to Cancun. Do you wanna come?
Y'all are wild right now.
I'm down. $100 we're not gonna make it.
Okay.
$100 I'm not gonna make it.
I said $1.
I don't think we're gonna make it.
Mike might not because he still has to check in at the airport. Christian's here, I'm here, Mohammed's here, Allison's here. Mark?
Absent. He's absent. He's absent, boss.
Partner.
What, $100, dude? Hey, I've never done to share.
We're here at the Thompson Playa del Carmen. We just checked into our rooms.
What's up?
And
Christian,
get
you
in the
good,
room.
bro?
He's struggling to push.
Yeah, not bad, dude.
Damn.
Yo, what are they watching?
A good grass view right here and grass top view. What they consider a junior suite here, I guess, or something. It's like almost the same size as you guys.
Bro.
Oh, yeah.
Why are you capping, dog?
It is. We got a cool view of the street.
I gotta show you this picture. Look at that.
Oh, it does look like this.
Bro, it looks just like it. That's the shit.
Dude, all he wants to do, he's looking to fuck if we party or not, he just wants to go to the water hole. He wants to go to cenote.
But scale 1 to 10, 10 being like you really want to go, 1's like eh.
Well, it's been a 12 since I got here. Bro.
Yeah, we're not going to the cenote. There's like a little puddle in the street. We're like, it's cenote, dude.
Huh?
Para Hyprrally, ¿verdad? Sí, yeah.
250 times 8.
Ocho.
Ocho.
Un descuento para 8 personas.
Mira, lo que puedo hacer es... What's a Hyprrally?
A ver, dame chance. Okay. It's because we're Hyprrally, dude.
We're Hyprrally. We're gonna get this discount.
Should I recreate Allison's picture real quick?
Dude, looking good.
Let's go look at the sunset together, dog.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hold hands right here, dog.
Just grab my dick.
Such a great view.
Allison too. I don't know if you guys know Allison Medina. She's kind of famous on OnlyFans. Yeah, link in bio.
We came here with literally 3 hours notice, and I didn't think anyone was gonna come, but we booked it, and here we are. It's like 85 degrees, humid. We're running it. But let me take a Coke too.
Funny thing with Tashir, this guy never drinks water. But
Coke has water in it.
but still, dude, you need like H2O in your body, dog.
Yeah, it's in there, dude. I'm about to go swim right now.
Oh, damn.
Oh, this looks like a heart attack. S'mores. That's a
most
fucking churro.
what I'm most excited is about the churros thing.
Why?
Because they said this is the favorite one.
Is it like a mukbang right now?
Hey, shut the fuck up. Look at this, dude.
Oh, right,
the
moving,
video
dog.
doesn't do justice. Oh my gosh. Yo, let me get the video. Yo, here, Christian.
We just poured the caramel over this churro. What you're gonna want to do is just grab the churro.
I just grab it?
You're good at grabbing.
Honestly, I don't know. You might want to take a s'more or some shit.
Churros here in
Yo,
Mexico.
this is way better than the spot in Anaheim, dog. We didn't come here for churros when we want churros.
Yo, we gotta get the ice cream, dude.
Well, let me try this.
That's what I wanted to do.
This guy.
What?
Making me hold the plate.
Don't worry,
Dude,
Mark.
this
You
is
got
bomb.
this.
Damn, Disneyland has nothing on this.
Yo, Mohammed, get in this, dog.
Did you get vlog?
The Churros.
There's more pizza. Really?
Yeah. Hey, content.
Why does she always gotta make it sexual, dog?
Ice cream?
No, this girl's hot.
That's coffee. I'm not a fan of coffee.
What?
Like a 7.
7?
Pretty good.
did it better. Allison or I? Dang, dude. Twins.
Oh my.
guys were on live, messing around, telling people to come out to Cancun, and they got one person that who's out. He's flying tomorrow. Allison's banned from using Tinder, so she's using mine under my name, and everybody's saying hi, Moises, like all these hearts and shit. Yo, let's see that. Oh my god, that's so funny.
Damn, Moises, is that you, dude?
Yo, are you? What the question is? Are you swiping left or right?
That's a hard left, dog.
They bless you so much with avocado.
What made you guys come out here last night?
This guy right here. Dude.
You were very captivating on Instagram Live.
Instagram sells, dude. You go live, this is what happens. You get two of these guys to come out.
I was naked, in bed, ready to go to sleep. I was so tired. And somehow I wound up in Cancun.
Hello right now. You're here for the next 2 days. Now let's see what it looks like.
Take a drive, take a drive.
You got a Hyprrally shirt on. Mark's got a Hyprrally shirt on. Wait, Jerry? Oh, you got a Hyprrally shirt on. Yo, Dan, take that shit off.
Oh, dude, I'm changing it for you. Oh yeah, dude.
The road's like this the whole way.
Really? This is a real rally, dude. Go slow. Oh my gosh, dude! Just for a fucking you might have to change another tire, dude. Fuck that.
Here with Hyprrally. It's been getting us a lot of good treatment out here by saying that.
Let's go to Hyprrally. See, Hyprrally.
We're for the restaurant. Come with
Hyprrally.
The Hyprrally.
Everyone seems to know us out here. Like, we're in the middle of nowhere.
Wow.
And everywhere we go, they're like, dude, Hyprrally.
Hottest merch in Mexico.
Obviously.
Yeah, obviously, dude.
Worldwide, dude.
Worldwide.
Group with Hyprrally.
Him and then me.
We're with Hyprrally, that's why.
Actually, here scouting for Hyprrally Cancun.
Yeah, we saw some
Playa del
great
Carmen.
back roads over there. Exotics are gonna be great.
2021, baby. Book.
Price to share.
Oh, you guys are even in here.
We were doing that for 30 minutes.
I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
$236 later, bro.
Hey, I ripped my shirt too.
Where? That's 600. That's 600. Dude, can I have one too?
It's Viagra.
Took a taxi for it. Wait, one or two?
You took two?
Are you serious? She's about to grow a dick tonight, dude.
Why'd you take those?
Wait, because it's for blood flow. It's for blood flow.
This guy said it's for blood flow.
One.
Damn, so it's come to an end after a couple of days. Spontaneous trip out here to Mexico.
Your highlight must have been
What was your highlight?
the ATVs.
It's been the best trip to Nashville I've ever been to.
The highlight, I can't say what was one specific thing. I think just being here. What are you wearing? What do you mean, what am I wearing?
What do you mean?
This hat came with me from LA and it's coming back to LA with me. Sticking with everyone and just laughing and doing dumb stuff like you guys crashing or fucking clowning on Allison for Denmark dick. But you know, it is what it is. So
I'm okay.
See you next episode.